Welcome to our video lecture on the cardiovascular system, a crucial part of human anatomy. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. The heart, a muscular organ in the chest, is the powerhouse of the cardiovascular system. It's roughly the size of your fist and has 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. Blood enters the right atrium, moves to the right ventricle, and is pumped to the lungs via the pulmonary arteries. In the lungs, blood gets oxygen and returns to the left atrium. From the left atrium, it flows into the left ventricle, which pumps it through the aorta to the body. This network of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, is over 60,000 miles long. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, while veins bring oxygen-poor blood back. Capillaries connect arteries and veins, facilitating the exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, and waste. The heart's pumping is regulated by electrical impulses that trigger contractions. This rhythm is what you feel when you check your pulse. A typical heart rate is between 60 and 100 beats per minute. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can reduce your risk of cardiovascular diseases. Remember, a healthy cardiovascular system starts with a healthy heart. Thank you for watching our lecture on the cardiovascular system. Stay heart smart and keep tuning in for more insights into human anatomy.